Good afternoon, all, and warm welcome to all the participants of NBFC. So, my name is Pradeep. I head the region for SmartPing Business AI. Uh, since we are approaching lunch, I'll just make my presentation a little crisp and clear. So, I'm from a company called SmartPing AI. So, we are a company, we are an access provider. We enable enterprise customers for their communication need. We provide unified communication platforms for the enterprise. So just a small brief about my company. SmartPing was founded in 2015, and since we are an access provider, we actually consult enterprise for their communication needs. Basically, we help them out to manage their communication avenues for their CRMs and everything. So, and we have a very secure and transparent CPaaS suite. That is a unified communication suite. And we serve about 2,500 plus customers pan-India. And we transact about 100 billion messages annually. And the final one is the most important thing. We are one of the access providers who provide, we have a proprietary SMS scrubbing platform. When I say the proprietary SMS scrubbing platform, it is the DLT. As a lot of people know, DLT is into a blockchain technology where your consent, as per the TRI guidelines, where your concerns, your templates, your headers, everything has to be whitelisted and it reaches your end customer. So, what is our vision? Our vision is that we as SmartPing, vision is to be a unified communication leader and provide Indian businesses with a comprehensive set of communications. When I say that, since we are an access provider, we have built a platform which is very robust in connecting all the communication avenues, which I will later take you on the slides. We actually enable the enterprise to integrate seamlessly. This is our vision. So this is our journey. In 2016, in 2016, we launched ourselves into the space of bulk SMS services. Since we are an access provider, we have our a data center, we have our SMC, everything based out of Mohali, and we transact about 100 billion messages annually. In 2017, we ventured into the voice product. We have a cloud call center solution, voice product, complete enterprise suite. For example, in an NBFC setup or a BFSI setup, we can provide contact centers on cloud, which will enable you to reach the customers seamlessly. There are a lot of challenges which the NBFC faces. For example, if you're looking out to reach your customers for any collection or something, payments or something like that, most often the numbers which we do a dialing, most often the customer doesn't pick up the calls from the particular number. It goes in spam. We have a solution where it will enable you to reach out more customers, and the hit ratio is more high in the solutions what we have tailor-made for fintech. And in 2018, we have launched our conversational AI bot. It is basically an AI chat bot, which a lot of BFSIs and NBFCs use across India. It enables us to, enables the NBFCs to interact with the customer. They can do their KYC on the bot, and it is not a repetitive process. As you know, the chat bots will give you that kind of advantage where a customer comes in and the entire chat history and everything can be stored. When the customer comes twice, another time, the conversation which he had earlier can be notified to the agent, and you can service the customer without irritating them. Right. In 2019, as I said, TRI has launched, as per the TRI regulations, there was a regulation that all the headers, the templates, the consent has to be taken from the customer. We are one of the access providers who manage the DLT portals. A lot of NBFCs send their headers and templates to us. We whitelist it and we give it to so that we enable those NBFCs to send their information to the customers. In 2022, we have launched our WhatsApp business solution. We are an ISP. We are into the WhatsApp space, and WhatsApp is a new technology, a new age technology, which is enabling NBFCs to send media-rich text where on a conservative SMS solution, where you have the restrictions on your characters. You can't send media messages through SMS, where WhatsApp and RCS may enable you to send videos, payment links, invoice, credit card statements. We can enable that, and it's also a two-way communication platform which you can use. In 2024, we are launching our CPaaS, Unified Communication Platform, which is already on. So any moment in a couple of months, we should be giving it to the customers. So what does a new enterprise digital customer need? So any NBFCs, we have the technology in the market. What they need is that I think they need a seamless communication on the channels they prefer. When I say seamless communications, I believe that all the enterprises are integrated with SaaS providers completely. So we in turn, we have the expertise and the technology to give a seamless communication integration for the channel they prefer. And we can customize according to the enterprise needs. We can customize the way they want their customers to be targeted or notified. We can give that customized. And our offerings are very, very simple to integrate with the customer, and it is a very seamless process. And we have a 24/7 call center, which enables us to handle your queries then and there. So why does an enterprise want a multi-channel communication platform? The enterprise in the digital era, the enterprise need a multi-level unique communication platform, because the kind of customer base is evolving in a particular NBFC or acquiring by the NBFCs. You need to have a platform where you can accommodate those kind of data. So customer engagement at a scale. So we can scale up to the levels of the customer expectations, and we can service them. Integrating real-time communication channels. We have all the channels in the communication space. As of now, we can integrate with audio, video, chats, apps, whatnot. Seamless multi-channel marketing communication. Implementing, as I earlier said, we have a platform where we can integrate seamlessly on your APIs and building connections with digital customer. So every customer now is digitally connected. They prefer a digital connectivity to all their banks or NBFCs. So every customer, I think, wants to get digitally connected. So what do you get? What our CPaaS framework can give? For brands, the CPaaS framework can connect customers' communication ecosystem. It can connect multiple platforms in one platform, and it can improve customer retention and satisfactions. For the technology, as I earlier said, program API-driven implementation is easy. It is seamless. It is easy to access the cloud platform. And since we are an access provider, we are a telco-grade secure connectivity. We can assure you that connectivity from us is very stable. And the customer point of view, their interactive experience could be very, very delightful. And the hyper-personalization, we can personalize according to the customer needs. What is the difference which SmartPing gives? A difference which SmartPing gives is repetitively, again, I'm saying that we are an access provider, so we can give you a consultative approach on how to approach a customer. The reason behind this is that we are working with all major fintech companies and banks across India. We can customize their solutions, and we can enable you or give a consultative approach, saying that how can we help us to delight your customer. And the technology capability, We have a proprietary telco-grade Tier 3 compliant data centers. Our data centers is based out of Mali, and we are certified with all this credentials from ISO 9001, 27000, SOC 1 and 2. And the customer support, we are round the clock available for all the customers to help to sort their queries. So a small view on what are the capabilities we have. We have the product offering of SMS solutions. We have a product offerings of enterprise voice solutions. We can, as I said earlier, we can give a cloud contact center solution. And we are into space of WhatsApp business, conversation AI, and RCS. RCS is the new entrant, which a lot of people, a lot of enterprises are interested in. If you see this slide, we have almost covered 80% of the communication avenues which an enterprise needs. Thank you.